Hi, thanks again for practicing. Welcome to Clarinet Largo Segment 2. Before we begin this session, you need a G sharp. It's like a sideways A, so it's like normal G plus the sideways. And then you also need, and the colors are going to come in really handy here. I'll get that out of the way of my, there we go. So you've already done the B. The up high D is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I've got my B, D, D, and then the C down to A, B. We're going to do that slow 3 times, and it's best to play along. Do it slow. Ready? B. You can hear that my sound fought a little bit, so I gotta blow a little faster air. Do it again. Go. Again, go slow. So don't be afraid to pause the video and do that like 5 times, 10 times. I am not kidding. You're going to do that in measure 21, again in measure 23. The other part that's going to be key, essential to getting this is G, up to your B, A, F sharp, G. So again, do that 3 times. You can listen or better yet, play along. Here we go. Again, go. Again, go. That part is a challenge, but the good news, you're going to use that pattern in measure 22, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So you're going to be a pro at that part. We are going to start by singing through this segment of Largo. Ready, set, da da da, G to sharp, to G to sharp, to G to A to B. Then B, da 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 da. 23. Da 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 da. 25. Spooky. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Hold. There's your segment number 2. You can just listen or play along. Ready, set. Build it up. Thanks for practicing. There's a lot of challenging parts.